Convert a pantry door into a compact workstation that tucks away when not in use. A pull-down desk that folds into the pantry door is the most space-efficient option because it gives you a flat, sturdy work surface when open and a slim profile when closed. Use 2 piano hinges and a pair of heavy-duty sliding brackets rated for the weight of your equipment to make the fold smooth and stable. Install a narrow shelf mounted to the inner door at elbow height for a laptop and a thin keyboard tray beneath it if you prefer separate input devices. Measure twice and cut once so the shelf clears door trim and pantry contents. Plan internal cord routing by drilling a small grommet hole through the door and running a low-profile power strip or a USB charging block inside the pantry to keep cables hidden and avoid pinching when the door closes. Add attachable pocket organizers on the pantry door back for pens, notebooks, chargers, and a small LED task light with a sticky mount so everything is within reach and can be removed or repositioned easily. Store a fold-out stool on the lower pantry shelf using simple straps or a grip pad so seating is available but does not clutter floor space. People often choose hinges that are too light-duty, which leads to wobble, so pick hardware rated for dynamic loads and tighten all fasteners after a week of use. Too little ventilation for electronics can cause heat buildup, so leave an inch of clearance behind the laptop shelf and avoid forcing devices into completely sealed spaces. A common oversight is routing cords where the door can pinch them, which wears cables quickly. Route cords through a grommet and secure them with cable clips inside the pantry so they are never trapped by the door. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover practical project ideas like pantry door desks. Our community discussion boards let us and other users share photos, measurements, and installation tips, and contractors can use our platform to find work and connect with local clients.